So I've come into my bombshell of a studio to try and tidy up because we have a class in marking and graining in about 10 days time, and I was also pulling out some samples for a client to see on Wednesday, and I was thinking about the Whitson's plaster and wanted to show people some of the things we've done, like this one here. This is Whitson's plaster tinted black or very dark grey, and I've kind of embedded some big pieces of mica into it and then used the silver wax over the top. Over here, here are some of the things we did really early on. This is done with General Finishes paints, embossed using Stencil Library stencil, and then I don't know if you can see the copper that highlights over the top of the stencil, dark brown glaze, and that brings out the timber really pretty, makes the oak texture look really interesting, and then highlighted it with copper. This one's done with Annie Sloan, and we've done some gold wax over the top. This was a sample for a project that we did, oh my god, ages ago. We did about 45-50 square meters of this embossed stencil from Wallovers in America. Really nice stencil range, actually. I really enjoy their products, and they're big and they're thick. They're great for plaster, and then it's been foiled, and I've used mica powders. Over here is that table. I've chest of drawers. I've posted it quite a few times. I'm embarrassed by the dust. Ooh, don't look. And that was just a plain chest of drawers that we did some embossing on. Again, foils. Move the heater out of the way. Foils over the top, black glaze. I love it. It's got a bit splashed with paint because it's right beside my demonstrating table. Here was this was something we did for an exhibition. We also did it on a cooker hood ages ago, and we did a similar thing on an outside fireplace. So it's rollered and knocked down, and then we built these bands and put like little studs, used stencils for that, and then rubbed over with gold wax. I think 2 colours, copper waxes and gold waxes. So let me just bring you back here. So I'm going to pull up some other ones. This is also with mica. Sorry, I'm a bit shaky. So these are big chunks of mica. I don't know if I can get them really show the. There we go. You can see the lovely mica there. Okay, over here, texture with copper foil. This is a sort of polished plaster. Again, just all of these done with the same thing. There's no texture to this, and I just put a very slight gold wax over the top of that. Embossed, and again foil. The cracks happen when you heat it, so and I really like the cracks, so I do it quite a lot. And so that's got foil and glaze. And this was we did these same stencil, just lots of different ways. This was we rag rolled with the top of this just to show that even the oldest techniques are still really effective. Excuse me. I'm still suffering from my post-Christmas flu. Nearly there, nearly well. I'll put this up here. I've shown this on Instagram before. Metal leaf, and then 2 colours of plaster, and heated a little bit just to get it to crack. I really wanted to crack as well. It did. The leaf kind of, because there was low adhesion while it was curing off. It managed to to make it crack really successfully. And oh, here this was the sample we did for a restoration project where we were restoring some wallpaper. I don't know if you can see, but up close, yeah, stenciled, combed, and then gold wax over the top. And we carried this out, not the same design, we actually copied the design of the wallpaper, but it was our initial test sample. So it's just a few things to let you see how versatile it is. Here's a few more. Again, rollered, knocked down, gold waxes over the top. That's through a stencil, again, with some patinating on it. This is pretty horrible, but it mainly because of the colour. But I pushed this through American cheesecloth, which we sell, and it's kind of cool. Really like it. And another knockdown. So, just to show you how versatile this product is and how much you can do with it. So, I better get on with my cleaning now.